moist, full of flavor, no weird taste, just a legit peanut butter cookie.
By now, I'm sure you've already heard about the delicious line of keto cookies that was put out by Perfect Keto not too long ago. They started with a chocolate chip and a double chocolate chip, and they are fantastic. Y'all, they have hit it out of the park with these. Welcome to the new peanut butter cookies.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Joe.
And I'm Rachel.
And we're Two Crazy Ketos, and Perfect Keto has a brand new flavor cookie. It's peanut butter. And this is absolutely my favorite flavor. It's got an incredible taste.
And texture.
And what I really like is it's got good, clean ingredients and really good macros. Just 2 net carbs per cookie.
They are substantial in size. When you smell them, guys, they smell just like Reese's peanut butter cups. They smell so, so good, and most importantly, they taste absolutely amazing.
And if you're somebody like me who has portion control issues, the little 2-pack makes for a delicious way to enjoy something without overdoing it.
Did I mention super clean ingredients? And come on, let's not forget about the texture. We have a soft batch cookie.
What I like is the marriage-saving packaging where we each get a cookie.
Really?
Here's yours.
Wait a second. I thought I get a whole cookie.
Happy wife, happy life.